welcome to another lawnfawn video. Today we are so excited to be introducing a couple of new products. We have brand new washi tape and we have some new wire snips too. So let's go ahead and check them out. Washi tape is a brand new product for us and we have three styles here. We have hedgehogs, happy hearts, and string of hearts. These are so cute and so adorable, and I have to tell you that it is the biggest dream of mine to have washi tape, and I am so excited about these. So we're going to open up all of these washis and take a look at them and see just how cute they are. So first up, we have our Hedgehogs washi, and this is featuring one of our most popular stamp sets of all time, which is Hedgehogs. It has these adorable little hedgehogs on it and the little hearts, and it has a very light pink background that is so pretty and so cute. Here I'm going to put some on some white cardstock so that you can really see the design. It is just so sweet. I love washi tape for putting on envelopes and decorating cards and packages and gift wrap. Oh, there's so many ways to use it, and I am just so excited for these little happy hedgehogs. This is our Happy Hearts washi, which is so sweet. It has these beautiful rainbow hearts with these adorable little smiley faces on them. The background of it is a white instead of the light pink for the hedgehogs, and here you can see a comparison between them. We're going to add this to some white cardstock as well so you can really see the design, and I love that pastel rainbow and all of those little smiley faces and rosy cheeks. Next up, we have our String of Hearts washi, which is so cute and sweet. It's perfect for Valentine's Day or really any time of the year too. It has a really pretty pink background and these adorable shades of pink and red on these hearts, and it's one big long garland which looks so cute on cards. I'll be showing you a few cards in a second here. And here you can see it added to the white cardstock as well so that you can really see all three designs, and oh my goodness, do these make me smile. I am just so excited for them. Now, one of my favorite ways to use washi tape is to put it on my envelopes. I think it just looks so cute on the back, and I love that it's an extra seal on my envelope when I'm putting things through the mail. And next up, I have some incredible projects by the design team using washi tape in fun and unique ways. And first up, we have this beautiful project by Yanea. So Yanea created some cute little treat bags here for her cookies. She hot foiled some wood grain on it, and then she added the washi tape at the bottom to be a ground for her cute little critters. She also put the washi tape on some cardstock and then die cut it with one of her banner dies to create those cute little tags that she has on the top. It's so sweet and so fun. Elise's design is so amazing. She put a couple of strips of washi tape at a diagonal, added some die cut letters and some sequins. This is a quick and easy card that looks amazing, and you could do it with any washi tape design, which I just love. Next up, we have a card by Rebecca that is so sweet. She layered the washi tape all along the bottom of the card at a diagonal and then added a line border at the edge there to kind of bridge the gap between the washi tape and the white cardstock. It almost looks like she has a pattern paper with that string of hearts, and that is just so much fun. This card here, when I saw it, oh my goodness, it just blew me away. Yanea is amazing. So she added the washi tape to the top and bottom of her card, and then she took the actual little hedgehogs from the stamp set and layered them onto a giant outline. Love ya. I think this is so sweet, and I love the look of the washi tape at the top and the bottom. Next up, we have a fun card by Grace, and she layered washi tape and little scallop pieces as a perfect background for her sweet treats, and this card just makes me smile. One of my favorite ways to use washi tape is in gift packaging. So these cute tags by Audrey are just amazing. I also love wrapping packages in plain brown paper and then adding the strips of washi maybe to the edge or to the two corners, and it just looks so cute and sweet. Next up, we have an amazing card by Elena, and I love how she layered the washi tape at the top and the bottom. It almost looks like pattern paper, and those cute elephants standing on the giant XOXO is just adorable. Kara used the Simply Celebrate Heart stamp set to echo the design of the washi tape, and I think this is just so cute and sweet. I love how she combined the two. It's just so fun. I heart this card for sure. And then here, I love how Letitia layered all of the washi tapes together. It looks so cute as a background, and this hugs card is just adorable. So, oh my goodness, thanks so much to the design team for always blowing me away. And next up, we're going to show you our brand new wire snips. These wire snips are so cute. They are in this fun turquoise color. It says lawnfawn on them. You can see that right there, and they are great for separating your dies. I also love that it has a little protective cap at the top too to protect protect the edges of your wire snips. And on the back, it says please use safety glasses, which is a very nice reminder to always use safety glasses when separating your dies. Here you can see that it's got the little snips and it has a nice little kind of like spring action there when you open and close them. And like I said, they are perfect for separating your dies. So here are the dies for all the clouds, which is one of my favorite stamp sets. And what you can do is take the die and just line it up right with the edge there of the die at those connector tabs and just snip, and it's that easy to snip them apart. And now you have a separated die with nice and clean edges. And so once again, all you need to do is just snip. And so when you get a new die set, you can take apart all of your pieces, organize everything together, which is always so much fun, and of course have cute little wire snips to do it with. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching today. We cannot wait to see what you do with the washi tape, so make sure to share it with us. Thank you so much for watching today, and I hope you have an absolutely amazing day. Bye!